So it's 35 minutes after launch. This is a Pocket 4. I just got my Pocket 4. For the last 2 years and a half, 2 years and a half, I've been filming all my videos on the DJI Pocket 3. It's amazing. We're right here in Guangzhou. Let's walk around for 1 second. There was a launch with hundreds of people, like all the fans here in the Guangzhou. So I'm gonna do the unboxing to check out this new camera. Okay, got it right here. Okay, there we see the unboxing. Open the box somehow. So there's a bunch of new features that I'm excited about right here. This built-in storage, very fast storage, so I can transfer my files much faster. But there was a question and all those rumors that came online. Oh, very nice bag. It's like a little bit like a Hermes bag. It's very nice, Prada. It's good. Let me check right here. So I will show you. I'll continue. It's continue film, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And right here, I just want to check one thing here on the back. Okay. So right here, oh, there's a door now for the micro SD slot. So you can actually hide your micro SD behind the door. And one function I will look for, hopefully will support backup recording. So you can record internally and externally to have redundant storage. Oh, this is very nice, this new, oh, look at this. Look at this. Because the previous one has a huge door, right? I mean, a huge thing that just covers the whole, now you just put it in the corner. Nice, I'm not gonna have to get used to this one. Nice, let's check it out. Let's compare. You see, it's a little bit taller. And now it means my big hands will be a little bit more comfortable. You see, it's a little bit taller, you have more space, and you have the zoom button and the custom button. I need to think what I'm gonna do with the custom button, you know? Maybe I wanna push the button to automatically upload to my OpenClaw so I can send the videos all over the internet. That'd be great. Hopefully, with the faster Wi-Fi 6, you can directly download the videos in the background to your phone. I don't know. I need to check if this is going to work or not. It depends on the new MIMO app. They probably updated the app like 20 minutes ago. So let's check if that's possible. Let's walk around right here. So you see all these people are outside, all the excited fans right here in Guangzhou. All right, this is cool. So now it's just a question of seeing what is possible with this faster memory. There's only 107 gigabytes, but don't worry, you can still have your micro SD. So I'm still gonna put up to 1 terabyte right here. I have 512s. I'm just gonna put them in there. Hopefully it just backs up. So you can put your micro SD, you can hide them in your back pocket. And then you don't worry. If somebody takes your camera, it's fine. You have a backup of everything. So this is great. This is exciting. There's a lot of things that's going to be exciting to see about this one. It feels higher quality. Something happened. All right, so let's check it out. Longer battery life. The same 1-inch sensor, but maybe it's not the same. Actually, it's an upgraded 1-inch sensor. So let's check out how it looks outside. I'm going to be filming outdoor. We film a whole video with a fill light. And this is the fill light. I just got the basic package because you can buy the external fill light for 129 RMB, so that's like $15 or something like that. So I can get the same quality like this, right? I can use the fill light. It's going to use more power, a little bit, right? But you can just connect the Type-C power bank. 65-watt power bank is going to charge in 18 minutes. You can use the new external battery also, and it's compatible with the old battery also. So this is great. Very interesting to see the quality. I'm not using any of the beauty filters. I don't need beauty filters. I'm joking, but thanks for watching.